Adeleye Tomiwa Adeleye. I was born into the family of Mr. and Mrs. Adeleye in the year 2006. My parents and I were native of Aiyede-Ekiti. My father, my mother is an hairdresser. I attended St. Peter Nursery Primary School, Aiyede-Ekiti, from nursery class to primary 3. Then I proceeded to CAZ Nursery Primary School, Aiyede-Ekiti, from primary 3 to primary 6, where I wrote my primary 6 student certificate examination. I was admitted into grammar school, Aiyede-Ekiti, in the year 2017-2018 till date. I'm in SS3. My aspiration, I'm aspiring to become a medical doctor in the nearest future. First, who is a doctor? A doctor is a person who is qualified to treat sick people and give them medical treatment. The reason why I wanted to become a medical doctor is that by becoming a doctor, I will be able to take away the pains and suffering of people by giving them necessary medical treatment and health care. By becoming a doctor, I will be able to serve as a source of happiness for many people and their families. More so, because it's doctors are the lifeblood and the economic social country, in the sense that they are little God that saves people's life, which eventually help the nation to maintain our population. My road plan to achieve this aspiration is that after secondary school, I will have to obtain JAMB and sit tight for the examination to have a good outcome, which will eventually help me to put in for the course that I'm aspiring to study. The reason why I require my support is that my father is late and I come from a poor family, and the course that I'm aspiring to study require financial support, moral support. In the aspect of the financial aspect, my mother is not that buoyant to avoid the tax that the course require. With this, I need philanthropy. My mother is planning to help me further, but she cannot still meet the tax that the course require. With this, I'm anticipating the help of assistance. In conclusion, if it happens that I didn't get MEF support, I may not be able to achieve my goals and my dream may not be able to come true. I pray God will help you so that you can assist me. Thanks.